popular framework which is used globally to develop user interfaces for web applications. I have used this React.js to develop this app, and as well as I have used some open source APIs of YouTube to integrate and get the data on user interface. That's what I have done. If I talk about more like what kind of like challenges I have faced, like to limit the API calls as well as catching the data and making optimized UI, as well as I have achieved React is which is popularly React has a unique features to like single web page applications. I have achieved these things over there, and that's how I make this app more scalable, optimized, and lightweight. Yeah, that's all about these applications. If I talk about what is the conclusion and how can it help us to grow in our life, there is a lots of you can watch videos. That's how you can gather a new skills, as well as you can get entertained while watching these videos. It has one of the best functionality, one of the best feature. It has a YouTube like video recommendation feature as well. So that's what I have done. That's all about this.
This is a responsive application or not?
Yeah.
And do this. आप थोड़ा साइड हो जाओ उधर से. Not is the responsive.
Yeah, little
property.
bit it is getting fluctuated because it is really small size. It supports only for laptop screens.
You can change.
It supports only for laptop screens and tablets.
Okay.
Because
it's not a properly responsive for phone, mobile
because generally we
applications.
achieve as a front end developer, we achieve a responsiveness for a tab size.
Okay.
Till the tabs.
Only for tabs.
Yeah.
Okay. And what is the functionalities open
Like, as you can
in
see.
a laptop mode? This application.
Like video for playback function, as I said a little while ago. This one.
How
And-
take this data from API for these sites?
Huh?
How to take data for videos?
There is some free YouTube APIs. I have used those APIs to get the data on UI, and I have used some unique features of React like promises.
What is the use out of it? YouTube is already there. Netflix is there. Those are the existing platforms.
Like that's how we can demonstrate and enhance our skill set in some trending technologies, cutting edge technology like React.js.
But where is use? Like, how can you use the replica of this YouTube? Who's the picture of this surface? Future instance.
Free.
You added YouTube.
Yes.
Why should we use your application? If YouTube is there.
Like just I have developed this app to demonstrate my skills rather than I don't.
So can you go through us through the code, like how you place the data and like?
How to use API.
the code. Lots of files over there.
Explain. Okay. Can you share me the search tab is there, right? Yes.
No, I don't implement the search functionality. Just video playback functionality. You can get.
Which type of API you use and maybe
Where is use API from this code?
And these are the APIs we are getting data from.
for
These are the APIs they are providing data for our UI. What kind of data we are getting on UI regarding videos, thumbnails, channel titles, like dislikes.
so there are three APIs, right?
Yes, yes.
So may I know first API what type of work that
It is a API. It provides a video details like video details like what is the thumbnail and what is the video it is like.
okay, and what about the second one?
Second one about like channel details like which channels this video was uploaded as well as channel title, likes, dislikes, subscribers numbers.
Okay, and what about the third?
This like it is for like what kind of comments we are getting in channels like we have a video, we comment on that kind of comment data we are getting.
And how we will this is regarding the email.
Yes, yes. This is the video.
Okay. Fine. No worries. This is regarding the
Video data.
videos.
This is the first API. We are consuming this data here. This is the component.
Okay. No worries. Any questions from trainer side? Any questions? Madam, do you have any questions? Yes.
You can this application build in full responsive application.
Yeah.
How to
Like
For
I
the
have
root use.
used some kind of special features of CSS
What type
like
of-
grid and flex.
only grid and flex.
Yeah.
You can also use bootstrap na while using grid and
But initially we need to implement a code.
but
on our-
bootstrap
yeah, we can use
like YouTube is the most larger platform. I think real day application also use not like grid and flex. Some there is a like आपने exactly वही create किया जो YouTube पे है. It's very large platform.
Yeah, it is very big platform.
So you
There is
can
a
think
1,000
कि,
functionalities. It
you
is not-
use for official creator as a responses use bootstrap there, not grid and flex.
Yeah, we can
Because
use.
we can completely responsive website create on bootstrap now by using so much code in flex and grid.
Yeah, we can
So
use
that is
boost
best
the
option
productivity,
for
yeah.
bootstrap and take time. काम भी टाइम भी कम लगेगा उसमें आपको.
Yes.
अच्छा बाकी
Fine. And almost done. We can done. Next Java student.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Your good name is? Your good name is? Tejas, right? Yes. Tejas.
Good afternoon, respected teacher.
Good afternoon.
My name is Tejas Puneri, and I am.
Please proceed. Don't forget. Just to be
to introduce my project name is car rental system. That project customer can rent car and return or exit. The purpose of project is understanding the object-oriented programming in real life. There are simple menu: rent a car, return a car, and exit. When we click first option, they ask to you your name. Then there are display the available cars and their ID, their model, and their company. When you want to rent car, enter car ID. Ma'am, which car renting?
First one. Toyota.
Then we enter the first car ID. First car ID C001. How many days you rent car?
2 days.
2 days. Your ID is customer 1. Customer ID is generally created by customer size length plus name. The 3 letter
It is auto generated. It's
3 letter plus customer size length. Then
Okay, got it.
sorry, my name there. Need some there. And there the total price is base price into your days. The base price into 2 days is 1400 रुपये.
How do I pay this 1400?
Okay.
You confirm that car. But Java is a case sensitive language. There we enter small letter, they are not accept. There are only 2 options: Y in capital and Y in
Yes and no.
capital.
Hmm.
And
But if I'm not educated and if I enter anything, then
there why I in Java one method equal ignore case.
okay,
There I am using program.
good.
There you are enter Y in small. They accept.
Good.
Good.
Car is rented. You want to return car?
No. Car is so good. Where is that?
But you rent in 2 days only.
Okay. Then anyway, I have to return. Okay.
You return. Please enter your. The message says enter your car ID. You want to return. You return car. You rent car ID first.
Yes.
But you return second ID. They don't. They. Invalid car ID.
Ma'am.
Why
They-
mention invalid?
but invalid.
Mic. So sorry. Actually, we forget. Just put on this mic.
Invalid car because you rent car ID first
Yes.
and you put car ID second. There
That's
that reason we invalid car ID. चुकलं की थांबा पुन्हा मी रन करतो. car returned successfully by Tejas. They display my name,
Okay.
my name
Finally, it is successfully returned.
written. That way, exit.
That is all.
Hmm.
In the project. Good, nice.
Nice.
My purpose is that project in object-oriented programming, understand concept like encapsulation, object, what is object,
How to use encapsulation their project?
encapsulation in the
Where is
project.
use encapsulation and inheritance also use, na? There is
Encapsulation.
encapsulation.
Hmm.
Okay. Where is use encapsulation?
Encapsulation use in customer class, rental, customer class.
But
or
why encapsulation?
दाखव. Encapsulation to hiding the data. That's why we use encapsulation.
Okay. What
There-
type of data hide?
Huh?
What type of data hide here?
A private customer ID, brand, model, best price, and is available
Okay.
because they only customer only see rent car, buy return car or exit, three is option. But we are owner this website.
Okay.
Car, add the car, who customer can return car. There are my responsibility.
Okay.
There why use private type of
Entity.
data type entity. We use string, and there we used to get
Only use encapsulation
Create-
in OOPS and any other concept here. Only
encapsulation.
encapsulation. Okay.
Can we use other?
Yes, use
What type? Concept use here in OOPS.
uh, uh, abstraction use in there.
How?
Hiding abstraction is hiding the method, and this method extended by other class. Uh,
But you say na encryption also hide for data
Encapsulation also hides the data.
Nahi.
and abstraction.
Encapsulation hide the abstraction hide the method, whole method, and encapsulation is secure. Is only get म्हणजे
बोलो.
only get their ते ओनली गेट करतं म्हणजे ते ओनली डिस्प्ले करतं. इनकॅप्सुलेशन मध्ये ना नाही, ऍबस्ट्रॅक्शन मध्ये मेथड ती मेथड आपण वरती डिक्लेअर करतो, पण त्याच्यात आपण काही लिहित नाही, आणि ती मेथड आपल्याला एक्सटेंड करावं लागते सेकंड क्लास मध्ये. मग तिची आपल्याला बॉडी लिहावं लागते. त्याच्यासाठी आपण ऍबस्ट्रॅक्शन यूज करतो. इनकॅप्सुलेशन मध्ये आपण गेट आणि सेट हे दोन मेथड राहतात ते यूज करतो. आपण सेट करतो, आपण त्याचे ओनर आहे, आपण सेट करीन ते. गेट करायचं काम म्हणजे गेट करीन ना ते फक्त तेवढंच दिसन युजरला, ते काम इनकॅप्सुलेशन करतात.
Okay.
What is multi-level inheritance?
Multi-level inheritance is a chain, parent, child, their म्हणजे
Subchild.
हा grandparent, parent, child. These are chain is a multi-level inheritance.
What is the multiple inheritance?
Multiple inheritance is not allowed in Java, but we achieve using a interface.
Okay, so what is the interface?
Interface is a interface is सांगतो Interface is hiding the data 0% to 100%. Interface inherit abstract class methods.
Means inheritance is to we can uh, extending the our classes, right? But inheritance, this is not the concept, right? So suppose I'm using the multi-level inheritance, right? So what will happen inside the Java? Suppose I have to use the multi-level inheritance. So what will happen?
Multi-level inheritance means their child, no, parent, they are inherit child are inherit their parent properties,
Right.
and child also have whose grandparent properties. There are multi-level inheritance, and multiple inheritance is a child have two parents is produce the ambiguity, means diamond problem.
And the diamond ambiguity problem will happen
Ha.
when we use the
Multiple
inheritance. For that we have to use the interface, not inheritance. Right? So what is the interface? Interface is to we can define the our incomplete as well as complete method, right? So incomplete method means what?
Incomplete method means it not have body.
Right. Incomplete means
Complete means it's a then incomplete method. Complete method extend their incomplete method, and in their method we use incomplete method properties.
tell me only syntax when we define the interface. Okay?
Interface.
So inside when we define the incomplete methods, how to define? What is the syntax?
Interface, your name that method.
So can we use there any access modifier for defining the incomplete method?
Access modifier?
Yes.
No.
So by default it will take abstract
No,
as well.
it's incomplete method. It's incomplete method. They body. They not have body.
Don't tell like this. Just tell me what is the syntax?
Syntax.
Yes.
Interface.
Suppose I have to define incomplete method test.
Hmm.
So how you will define?
Interface test square bracket and their curly bracket is complete. And when this is incomplete method.
Not like this. This is the wrong. Actually, you have to define only void. Okay. Then later you have to use the test method, right? Circular bracket and semicolon. So this is the incomplete method, right? And by default, it will take the property like access modifier like abstract as well.
Sir, you tell me interface na.
Yes.
I will tell you interface. Interface. ते असं राहतं interface.
So inside we are defining only incomplete as well as complete method, right? And can we use their main method? Main method.
Please repeat, sir.
I'm asking you, can we use their main method inside the interface?
Interface, no.
Okay, why?
Main method is accessing the interface in main method. That.
Okay, so suppose we have to access this all incomplete as well as complete method. How you can access it?
We
We have
creating
to access complete as well as incomplete method. So how to access?
in the main method we can create this method object.
Okay. So we have to use their any concrete class or anything else. Okay, no.
Okay, fine. Brilliant packages. Nice.
Good afternoon, all. My name is Shraddha Sheke. My project is on customer and product analysis according to feedback of customer. So I'm using Microsoft SQL Server for this. I'm first create database for car. In that database, I'm going to create tables. First table is customer table. In that customer ID, full customer information of customer is there in that table. Uh, Afterwards, I'm inserting values using this command, insert customer values, and I'm putting 15 entries in that. So with the help of this command, select all from customer, we can see all the data regarding that table. After, I'm going to update the table. Suppose I want to change the registration date of first customer, then I can change with the help of updates command. Afterwards, I'm going to change two dates here. Means we can see uh, in this customer ID 1 is having registration date 2023 10 1. Then after that, I'm going to update that with this. So yes, my date was changed 01. Okay, ID 4. I'm going to update. It is as a 2025. So at 4, this ID was updated. Date was updated. My second table is a product table. All the information regarding product is there, like product ID, product name, category, price, stock quantity, supplier ID, and also I have put 15 entries in that table. This is the product table. Again, sale table is there. Sale ID, customer ID, product ID, sale date, quantity, how much quantity is sold, and total amount is there. Means this customer 3 bought 2 SUV. There are car models. म्हणजे means whatever the sale is there, this present in that table. Again, supplier table. The information regarding supplier means is there, means supplier ID, supplier name. In my 4 table, I want to add foreign keys. I'm adding here foreign key from customer table. Nice, sale table. In sale table and customer ID is in customer table, customer ID is a primary key. So I'm going to make a foreign key in that table. Again, also in sale table and product table, also I'm going to add foreign key here with the help of alter table command. So my data is created now. Now I'm performing basic queries first. Suppose if we want to get the total number of customers, then we get that from with the help of count. Select count all as total customer from customer table. There are 15 customers in that. Again, I forget to make a column of gender. Then also I can add that table, and also updated the gender, means customer ID 1 2 4. These IDs are of male ID, and after that female ID also I have mentioned. So I'm updating that part. Afterwards, suppose if we want to find out the specific means we want to find out category wise product, then we can use this command, select product name from product table. Where clause is going to find means म्हणजे where clause is used for row level filtration. With the help of where clause, we can find out the category is equal to SUV. SUV model E. This is the name of that category. Also, I'm going to calculate the total sale with the help of sum function. Sum of total amount as a total sale from sale table. This is the total sale. Then here count of we are going to use count function for what? We are going to group category and find out the category wise sale. That's why I use this command. This will give yes. This is the classic category. The sale of that category is 1. Then according to that the sale is come. Also, I'm adding a payment method. Payment method means customer is going to pay by cash, by phone pay, by PayPal, or any kind that I'm going to add with the help of alter command once again. And also, how many transaction I'm going to find out the count of transaction by that payment method. I'm adding that payment method, and with the help of alter command I'm going to add that methods, and after that I'm going to get the count of transaction by payment method. So these are the transaction done by customer. 3 transactions are from cash, 4 from credit card, so like that. Again, with my logic, I have updated that, means assign that cash, PayPal, credit card, or debit card. With my logic, I am going to assign that. After that, I'm going to fetch the data of transaction. Um, means I'm using the convert command here for fetching the data by month. So in this 120 is a ODBC canonical format which gives us a date, year, a month, day, hours, means it is gives us standard format. From that we are going to fetch only 7 characters. That's why I use varchar 7, and I'm going to fetch only YYY and MMM. So I'm going to make a count of all transaction and fetch the data of that highest transaction per month. So that's why I'm going to grouping that payment method, and afterwards order by month. Month is order by ascending by default, and transaction means here highest transaction will come at the first month. So here 1 January 2023, 1 transaction is there. Again, with the help of this query, I'm going to find out or fetch the top 5 customers who spent more, means total spent. Total spent is defined by sum function again. I'm going to fetch the data, all the data, means c dot customer ID, means customer ID from customer table, first name from customer table, last name from customer, and going to sum s dot total amount from sale table, Again, I'm going to make a join between a customer and sale. By default, it is a inner join. So it can fetch the similar data and going to grouping out that data, and total spend descending means highest total spend will be appear as a first. And one command I'm using here, offset 0 rows, fetch next rows only. This is an additional I find out when we are using data in tons and millions, then for our
How many data display per page?
there is a pagination concept, and with this with the help of this means next to 5 rows only I'm having my page of 5 rows only, so we can fetch data accordingly. uh, Again, the same query I run with another top operator.
Run this command.
Okay. So first one is David. Total spend David is $199.99, and these are the first 5 customer who is having total spend. Again, I'm going to make average aggregation functions here for grouping by payment method for our understanding the customer behavior. I'm going to make aggregations means average total amount, the customer, which type of customer we have. For that purpose I'm going to use that. Again, I'm created a view of total spend. In above, we have to make a joins and grouping. To avoid this, I'm going to create a view at once. This time this not run, because the view is run only once. View means what? This is the structure. The view is having a structure like table, but we can access the view and सांगता येत नाही मला जे means it is a base table is not
Base representation.
base representation of actual table, but we can fetch data from 2 tables or 3 tables and make one table and going to query that table. For that I'm going to make a view of customer ID, first name, last name and same, but here the same top 5 customers I'm going to fetch with the help of that small query. The same. Okay. Also, I'm going to find out the customer who spent more than our criteria. Means, if we want to find out the customer who spent that much particular amount, then also we can find out with the help of where command. So select that particular columns, and from the customer total spend, and where total spend is greater than 100, so we can find out the customers like that. Again, at the last I'm adding customer feedback table. In that feedback ID, customer ID, rating is there, comments I also add, and foreign key for the customer ID and product ID I'm adding. This is a customer feedback table. So customer ID one, customer of first is going to rate our car as a 5 and tell that excellent quality. So So in this query, I'm going to fetch the data of product ID and comment wise data I'm going to fetch and giving them as a rank. Means product ID and comment wise we are going to fetch the data, and we also having a average rating of the average rating function, average function, and with that rating the ranking is there. Means 5 average is having one rank, afterwards 4 average is having second rank. With the help of this we can find out the customer who spends more. Again, which car model is having the larger sale, higher revenue, we can find out with the with this query. And according to customer feedback, the feedback is type of feedback I'm finding out. Means positive, negative, and neutral. 3 types of feedbacks are there. So if rating is less than or equal to 2, then feedback is negative. Rating is greater than or equal to 4, then it is a positive feedback, and afterwards it is a neutral. So here I'm going to add find out total sale. This is it.
I want to fetch here customer name, get customer feedback, and their total amount. I want to fetch how to fetch this with 3 clicks only.
Customer name, total amount.
And feedback there.
That's why I'm going to use view. I'm going to create view, and afterwards I'm going to fetch that select all this from that table. That view table चे नाव आहे तिथे काय येणार?
It's happened also inner join, right?
Yes, but to avoid that join, I'm going to and if means customer table and sale table, we are going to make inner join and fetch that data. Means करून दाखवू का तिथे?
It's interfield, right?
Yes. Select name, first name, and what
Feedback.
feedback.
Feedback and total amount, their customer.
Feedback when I comment, मी इथं comment वापरले. Comments. Total sale from customer join join customer C customer ID is equals to uh, पण ते टोटल सेल येणार नाही ना, तो सेल मध्ये आहे ना, टोटल सेल. अजून एक जॉईन लावावं लागेल मग आपल्याला सेलचा. दोन, हा, इनर जॉईन बरोबर आहे ना.
एका जॉईन मल्टिपल टेबल्स जॉईन करायचे असतील तर फ्रेम यूज करतो.
हा,
मल्टिपल टाइम जॉईन यूज करायची गरज नाही. कॉमा देऊन तिथे फक्त तुझ्या टेबलचा नेम आहे ते मेन्शन कर, होऊन जाईल. करेक्ट आहे कमांड.
फ्रॉम कस्टमर सी आणि कॉमा सेल्स एस.
सेलच्या टेबल ठीक. राहू दे, आपण नंतर सांगू.
Can you tell me which concept you have used here, like inside the database, primary, foreign key, I am aware, but other thing, what you have used here?
I'm going to add column.
Okay.
If we forget to add column, then alter command, with the help of alter command I am going to add column. But that value also I'm going to add with the help of update command. Afterwards I'm going to create a view or making joins, and for that concept of paginations, fetch rows,
So which join concept you have used here?
inner join.
Inner join. So what is the outer join?
Outer join means if there is a table A and B and we are going to make outer join, the unmatching all data is come matching and unmatching.
Matching and unmatching. Okay. You heard about what is a data procedure?
Huh? Store procedure.
Sorry, store procedure.
Yes, I heard, but not study that.
Thank you for that.
Good afternoon, everyone. Today my name is Roshni Praveen Bhosle. I am from Ahilya Nagar. Today I am going to present a small presentation in Microsoft Power BI. Basically, Power BI is a business intelligence and visualization tool, and Power BI is to help large data set in simple way using a dashboard. In this project, I am using a data set taken from Kaggle. After that, I am using a get data option, then load and then transform data for a data cleaning. Like data cleaning, remove duplicates value, first row as a header, like that. After that, I am using a close and apply option for create a interactive dashboard. This is my dashboard. The title of my project is Flight Price Analysis Dashboard. In this project, I am using a flight information such as airline, arrival city, arrival time, class, days left, departure city, departure time, duration flight, etc. And as well as I am using a various chart for visualization data. So let's see the live project, okay, a live demo. Then I want Bangalore to Bombay flight. So first of all, you choose airline. I like Indigo, then I choose. After departure time, I want early morning, yeah, morning flight. Then stop, I want one stop flight and economy fare. Then I want Bangalore to Bombay. Then I'm select a Bangalore option. After Mumbai, this is a flight arrival flight time. So many options are there, and this is a flight rate. We will see. After 1 day's left, you book flight. The cost is 18,343 around. After 2 days, flight rate is changed every day. This is an international flight. Sorry, domestic flight. After we change airline, like I'm change airline. Airline is Air India. Class is business or economy. Business fare is so costly. We will check. First, we will check economy fare. Economy fare cost after you book 1 day flight, so then cost is 16,324, and we will see select business fare. Then cost is so high. Cost is 55,229. And this is a time duration, like 10.83 hours. The main goal of this project is analyze flight price clearly. Then we will see a small PPT. The object of project, the main goal of this project is to analyze flight ticket price. The conclusion is Power BI helps me present large data in simple way. Like the dashboard is helps to travels and companies. It shows flight price pattern clearly. Thank you.
Okay. So, hello everyone. Good afternoon. I'm Damini Bhoj and I'm presenting a project on a retail sales overview. The objective of my overview is to visualize and analyze the retail sales data from a fictional store, and I'm using tools like Microsoft Power BI, and for backend I have used SQL, MySQL. So the main focus by creating this dashboard is to sales performance, to know the sales performance, then the complete summary of the customers insights, and the product and category analysis. The fourth was the tracking the delivery. So for creating this dashboard I have used many types of cards and visual charts which is provided by the Power BI. So this is all about the overview of my project. Now let's dive into the actual project. So here, as you can see, I have used many cards. First card is total sales. So by this I can know the all total sales of my store, and this sales is in 10 days only, and 10 unique customers and 23 items are sold in 10 days. So for the complete get the complete order summary, I have used table, and in table I get to know who is ordered and what who bought what on which day. And for sales by the product category I use the bar chart. So as you can focus on this, you can clearly say that electronics are have more revenue and varieties in orders. And for tracking I have used the column chart, and here you can see the deliveries are 50% are delivery and 50% are pending. So by which I have to know, means analysis, that I need to speed up the delivery by analyzing this. Then I have used map for which cities the order is has been taken. So I used map, and the to know the trends of the sales by over the time, I use line chart, and as you can see the fluctuating peak point on day 6 and day 10. Then I have used the sales category for know the category wise analysis, means which category is selling more, getting more revenue and driving. So this you can see the electronics is driving more and other are category margin. So quantity sold by the city, you can see clearly that Delhi and Pune have more marketing and have sales more products other than the other cities. Okay, so that's what all about the front end part. Then for the back end, I have used MySQL. Okay, so this is my MySQL, and here only I have created the database using MySQL queries like create, insert, update, select, and by join the all tables, I have used join command. And after creating the database, I want the CSV file to import that on the Power BI. So I use the Python script for creating the CSV file. Okay, so here is my Python script. I want to link my MySQL and Power BI, MySQL and Python together to create a CSV file. So I import MySQL and Pandas packages, and from that packages I imported connector sub module, and in after that I have also imported some functions also, like cursor, connect, fetch all, this type of functions I have imported. So here as you can see, I have used import MySQL connector and import pandas as PD. I'm using PD for pandas, not writing pandas over and over. Then I just give the connection by the mysql.connector.connect and save that all data in the con object. Then I have the connection between MySQL and Python. But now I want to perform actions on that. So I use the cursor. The cursor function allows us to perform queries on the MySQL. So then I create an object variable and put the string on this, and then I execute cursor dot execute query to execute that query. Then for getting all the headers of my table, I have used this line. So by this line I get the headers of the data, means table. Now cursor dot description, which I have used for that. Then I have the headers of my tables, but now I want the rows, means actual data of that table. So I use the fetch all function, and now I have the table also, means the data, but this is raw data. I want in structure format, so that's why I use pandas as PD and give the data frame, data and columns. So it will combine my columns and data, and I combine that into df. And now I want to create a CSV file, so I use df.to-csv, give the CSV name, file name, and index is equal to false. I give index is equal to false because if I not give the index is equal to false, it will give the index to my data, but I don't want it. That's why I give the index is equal to false. Then I close the connection by con close, and yes, because of this I get the file saved in the Jupyter home, but I want that in my PC, so that's why I give the path of my PC and save. but I have written here R function R, though that R is reflecting that. If I don't use R, the slashing, we use Python to give the path, we use slash. But if I give the slashing, means wherever if I use slashing, the Python knows slashing means new line. So to avoid that, I use the R. Yes, and by creating this, I have the CSV file. Then I have imported that CSV file into Power BI, and I visualize the data.
Give some analysis.
Okay, so now I want to know the accessories. So accessories have sold item, 12 item has sold in 4 days by 4 customers. There are watch and backpack only. Now I want to know the electronics which are delivered. So here you can see in Mumbai and Pune the electronics are sold, and by whom, which customers, and what they have ordered and deliver, and the graph of the hit. Okay, and here I can see give the dates to train you. I want to see only the 7 to 11 date of the trend, so I use the line chart, and there is the from cards we can see the sales is 116, 20 items have sold, and by the 8 customers. Thank you. That's all from my side.
Good afternoon, everyone. My name is Gangadhar Adav, and I am from Nanded, pursuing my third year BCA in Swami Ramananda Tirtha Marathwada University, Nanded. Today's my topic is student result management system. Using MySQL, I have built this system. Here I have used one database. In this database, I have created 2 tables. I have created a database name is student project. Then I use this database. Then I have created a student table. In this table, I have stored the information about the student, like ID, name, class, city, gender, and apply the constant over here. The primary key is used to uniquely identify the each record, and auto increment is used to automatically increment the value of ID by 1. And here I use the enum. It is used to predefine values. We cannot choose without these 3 values, like here is a male, female, others. Without this value we not insert the gender here. Then describe the student. It show the structure of the student table. Here the structure of student table, name, class, city, gender. Then I have insert the values in this table. I have I have stored the 6 records in this table using insert into command, and show these records using select star from student. Then I have created a result table using create table student using create table command. I have created a result table. In this table I have created multiple columns like student ID and subjects, and here I use student ID is a foreign key to link between student table and result table. Here I insert the values, insert the records in this table, record table, like student marks, student ID. Here you will show the student marks, student id, result id. Then I have created add the column in this table to store the percentage. Using alter command, I have to add the percentage column. Here the table, here the column is percentage. Show you. Here I update the result table to store the percentage of each student. Using update command, I have stored the percentage. Sorry, using safe mode. Here you will show the percentage of each student. Yes, 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 yes. Then you will show the all the students marks and percentage. Using this query, I have showing this. Then I want to show a particular record in student. Then I use, sorry, here math होगा. Particular student, particular subject marks. If you want, then I use this query. Then if you want to count the total number of student, then I will see the query. Here I have added a grade column for the I have add grade column in this table. Grade column using alter command. Here the grade column is appear in this table. I have stored the grade recommended according to their marks and percentage. Now I can add this. Here the grade is available. Thank you.
How you identify the grade? Like why you are giving B grade to the 75%?
Because their marks are greater than 80.
Okay, so who is the student who is getting A grade?
Greater than 90, greater than equal to 90 marks.
Fine.
Okay, thank you.
Okay.
Good afternoon, all of you. My name is Deshmukh Ashok. Today I am going to represent the AWS VPC. So in AWS, there is no projects like data science, data analytics. In AWS there is a services like VPC, EC2, Elastic Load Balancer and others. So today I am presenting the VPC. So what is VPC? VPC is a virtual private cloud. So VPC is like your own private space in the cloud like AWS, Azure, Google. And VPC is control your own network on the servers like database applications. In a simple meaning, VPC is provide the security to, for example, banking, UPI transaction or etc. So here we can see the diagram of VPC. Here you can see in a green line, this is the VPC and this is we can make the services. So here is a user or internet. So I am the users, I can hit the services, but in VPC there is a need the internet gateway, and in VPC there is a two services like publicly access and privately access. So publicly we can anyone access it, but privately there is a not anyone access it. So here is the internet gateway. Internet gateway, it is like, so it is our classroom, it is a private network, but I am going to outside this classroom means the private network. So this is so we want to go to outside. but they need to get. So this gate, it is called as the internet gateway. So here you can see this is the internet gateway. So in VPC there is a route table, there is a two route table. So what is route table? Route table, it is like Google Map or GPS. So this is guide you to how to go at the right places at the right time. So here in a diagram you see there is a two route table. First is connected to the public subnet and second is connected to the private subnet. Okay. So there is a subnet. There is a two type of subnet: private subnet and public subnet. Private subnet is connect to the internet, and sorry, public subnet is connected to the internet, and private subnet does not directly connected to the internet. Here you see uh, first the here is a router and this is connected to the public subnet, but here is a net gateway. So whenever I give the net gateway to the public subnet, this net gateway provide internet to the route table, and this route table provide the internet to the private subnet. So net gateway. So what is net gateway? Net gateway, it is connected to the public subnet, but this is working for the private subnet, and we can access it by the IPv4 address and IPv6 address. So let's start practical. So first this is my AWS account. First I am create the VPC. Here I give the IPv4 address. Internet issue.
Can anybody give a mobile hotspot? I don't know. Anybody have a mobile hotspot? It's there might be a cable.
No. नहीं त्याला नाही.
Is there any network? Mobile can you give me that phone? The phone for that.
हाँ. Poco.
जीरो भी डाल दे लास्ट में.
So here our VPC is created. Then we can attach this VPC to internet gateway. So first I am create the internet gateway. I will give the name. So I am create the internet gateway, but here you can see in a diagram, this is not connected to the internet. So I am connect this to the VPC. So here the option attach VPC. So here select the VPC and attach to the internet gateway. Here again I am create the subnet. Here select VPC, then create the subnet. So here I am create the public subnet. Again I am create the private subnet. So here again I am select the VPC and create the private subnet. So here the create the private subnet. Again I am create the route table. Then connect again to the VPC and create the route table for public subnet. So here again I am create the route table for private subnet. Select VPC and create route table. Here we have make the two route table but not connected to the subnet or VPC. So connected to the VPC but not connected to the subnet. So here I am going to the first public route and edit subnet association and connect to the public subnet. So here save association, and again I am going to routes and edit here, and this route is connected to the internet gateway. So here I am created the public route. This is connected to the private subnet. But here you can see I am not connected this route to the internet gateway, because here we can make changes, because we have to add the net gateway. So first I am create the EC2. So here I am launch the EC2. So here I am create the key pair. Key pair is like a password. So here in a network setting, so I am making creating the VPC. So here select the VPC private subnet, and here you see auto assign public. Auto assign public means you can assign it publicly or privately. So here I am going to enable here, because this is a public subnet. So here I am launch the instance. Again I am launch the second instance. So in a network setting, select and again VPC. So here is a private subnet, and here is, you see, this is disabled. This is disabled because you not make it privately. So here at OS and public is disabled. Again I am launch the instance. Here you can see I am create the two servers. First I am connect to the first servers, going to RDP means a remote desktop protocol. So here I am download the remote desktop file. Here the get password. So so for this server I have create the key means password. So this is the key dash 014. So I am upload here this key, and this will decrypt the password. So here is our password, this is our username. So in a download, this is the key. I am going to connect. Here I am copy the password. This will take more time. So this is our public subnet. Anyone can assign it, and this has the internet.
So you are launched the Windows now.
Oh, anyone can use it.
So you are launched this Windows, right?
So yes, I am
From
launched
the
cloud.
Okay.
And this is also have a internet. Their size is small, so this will get some time.
इंटरनेट क्रिएट करून
क्लाउडवर काम करणार.
काय झालं काय केलं काय किती मुलांना समजलं AWS सोडून डेटा किती मुलांना समजलं काय केलं खरं खरं सांगा
थोडी आयडिया होती आधीपासून.
बाकी इकडे
त्यांना आयडिया नव्हती, त्यांना थोडस नाही
Yes.
म्हणजे आम्हाला काहीच नाही झालं because
विंडोज
ideas
लॉन्च
नव्हती.
केली सांग त्यांना.
So here I am launch the window. Here you can see this is the internet. So I am launching the another Windows.
Kind of virtual machine create
Yes.
झाली का?
Yes.
They have created one virtual machine.
Virtual machine.
Okay. From using the AWS account. Now it is opening the second one,
Second.
private
So here I am
Windows account. Yeah.
again I am decrypt the password. Password.
Yes.
also I can access this
No, you cannot access. This is the private. You can see private ID is pretty shown here. So public ID not assigned. Wait for 2 minutes. Omkar, wait for 2 minutes.
you cannot create multiple
Yeah, right.
okay fine so done with it
No. Not yet.
there are lot many things okay fine. So till 4 minutes. Any questions for me?
If we have to download any application in the virtual machine, then how we can?
Their size is small, so we cannot downloading.
So if we have to do any work,
This is only for
virtual
the
machine-
provide the security. So, for example, bank transaction, UPI transaction.
I have a question. Like why we are why we are using? Actually, I don't have any idea. But virtual machine, why we created this machines? Virtual machine
For security only.
secure transaction.
In AWS, there is only provide the
So it will
security.
provide us the 24-hour online all the websites, right? Suppose we have to access any website, so we can directly access through this AWS cloud platform.
Okay.
Okay, so it is the cloud platform.
Hmm.
So inside we can add the website also, as well we can add our database also. So we can easily access anytime.
We can like that. Currently, we are using local server. It is live server, and again it is paid. Paid per use.
Here you see private IP, username and password. And again, I am going to this window and search here RDP.
बँकेचा डेटाबेस असतो आपल्याला ऍक्सेस करायचा.
So I am going to connect another window.
आपण काय करतो नेट बँकिंग ओपन करतो.
So here is a private IP.
असं हे आता एक विंडो
I am copy here
प्रायव्हेट विंडो
and paste here. So this will connect to our private window. So here you can see the username. I am copy and paste here. So here you can see there is our two window. First in a blue there is our public window and there is a private. So this is our private window.
Can we use this window publicly?
No,
Why?
because whenever we use it publicly, this window is publicly. This window is we use publicly, but whenever we attach to the net gateway, then it is the go to the private.
Can you explain the process with the example?
Show the diagram.
What you are doing
Show the diagram.
virtually you can
Yes. Whatever
in
is-
this application, or you are saying this is used in banking for
Banking
security.
UPI transaction.
UPI. But where?
Uh,
How? Can you explain it? How it works?
Password in the password.
Okay, but how? In the password, what happens? Can you explain? Try to explain. There will be some process, right?
Yes.
So you can explain that process. What happened?
You can explain your diagram also again, so you can easily.
So here in this blue line there is a
Project that
region.
diagram with the application
Yes.
oriented example.
For example, in a company there is a so much database. So this data is secure. This data is need to security. So we can add this data in this private subnet. So this is not anyone can access it.
Basically, we can keep backup over there.
Yes, backup over there. Or when the in any in so in India there is a 3 database center. For example, Mumbai, Hyderabad, and Bangalore. So whenever the one data, so I am store my company data in the Mumbai center, but the Mumbai center has crashed for some reasons. Then this center send this data to Bangalore or Hyderabad server.
But
So
how it will transfer after crashing? Or like
no, whenever we send the data for the Mumbai center, this is also sent to the
okay.
another database centers. Yes.
Those are the IP addresses.
Yes. The IPv4 address and IPv6 address.
Thanks, sir.
नाही बाकी पण ते विंडोज थोडा हा नाही हँग नाही त्याचं ते स्टोरेज कमी असतं ना त्याच्यामुळे ते थोडं वेट घेत. So in a VPC, here you can see this will get a small time. ते वेट घेते मॅम तसं सांगू का आता so whenever this window is launched here you can see this is our private public subnet where you can see here this is the internet. Whenever the this window is launched they has no internet. So here I am going to create a net gateway.
Can anybody through the internet Wi-Fi hotspot?
So here I am going to create net gateway. Here select subnet. I am select here the public subnet because in a diagram you can see this net gateway is connected to the public subnet. Whenever we cannot the net gateway is connected to the public subnet, there is no difference between public subnet and private subnet, because whenever the router send the data to the public subnet and private subnet, I am created the net gateway. This net gateway send data to the second route table, and this is send data, send again internet to the private subnet. So here I am select the subnet, public subnet, allocate elastic IP.
Let's know network. Can send it.
किसी का लैपटॉप उधर लगा के रखो जिसको
नेट इंटरनेट कनेक्शन
लैन
नेटवर्क इशू.
लैन केबल किसके लैपटॉप को लगवा है
हॉटस्पॉट चालू है.
लैन केबल लगा दो और हॉटस्पॉट ऑन कर दो.
So my net gateway is created. I am going to connect this to the private subnet. Again I am going to edit routes and select the net gateway.
कुठून कॉपी पेस्ट करून चालत नाही लाईक SQL
Clear.
So here the net gateway is connected. This is not.
9 times password desktop file. Desktop.
Scroll down.
दिसत नाही
Desktop file.
Connection is lost on internet. So thank you. Sorry.
So, good morning, good afternoon, everyone. My name is Vaibhav Anandrao Bhandare from Nanded, Maharashtra. So, today I will present one student-based application. In that, I use the Python as well as the SQL. Using the Python, we can connect to using the MySQL connector. I connect the database to the Python So it is basically, first is the function is a student profile. It creates the student account in the SQL. After that, it has some other functions that can make, edit profile, remove profile, record entry, and others. So it is our database exam. So it is basically that shows the student data exam, their percentage in a graphical as well as the uh, the numeric representation. So I will just goes to and go and execute that program. Okay. So it will shows the interface, the examination module. We first enter the first to create a student profile. So just create one student profile. I want to give a registration number. Suppose I give to a true number. Then it will ask for the name. Suppose Ram. Class, you can choose class 11, 12, or we can edit this function, we can add more classes to this project. Like I suppose I choose the 11 standard. After that, section A to D, it's A. So RAM added successfully to the exam module. Let's go and check the RAM is added or not. Here we can see the RAM is added successfully to the admission number is 2. After that, we can edit student, choose the second, and enter the admission number whose section to modify. Let's suppose I want to modify first student. So I give a first admission number. Then I can modify my section. Here for the demonstration purpose, I add only the section number. We can add multiple, like our surname, middle name, or marks, or a standard. So I just add the C section. So record update successfully. Yeah, you can see that. After that, you can delete a student profile also. So choose 3.
We have to enter only those options. So can you enter some option like a 9?
Like what, ma'am?
You have already given like 8 as options, like 1, 2, 3, 8. Like,
Yeah.
can you enter 9?
Yes, ma'am. Why not?
Please try.
Like I use.
Don't change code. You just run and you just put 9 as option.
No, ma'am. It is basically in the Python. I created that program. So by for the 9 option, we want to add some more code.
But if I don't want to add any code, and just I am not a perfect user.
Okay.
If I just put out of boundaries to like 9 or 10, something like that.
Then it will show the errors.
Can you show me that?
Yeah. Yes, ma'am. Why not? Let's suppose I want to choose the 9. No, sorry, ma'am. Into your choice. Suppose I choose the 9. Sorry, ma'am. I have not mentioned that 9. You can mention that using the conditional statement. Then it will it will fetches, and it can shows the message. Sorry, enter the valid choice. Yeah. Yeah. Yes, ma'am.
So, can you generate that report card by entering?
Yes, ma'am. Firstly, I want to enter some marks to the student. Okay.
And if it is not there, then
Then it will not show the mark. Yes, yes, ma'am. Choose 5 for the generate report cards. Okay. And let's suppose I want to choose 1. Then it will not shows.
can you show in the SQL database?
Yes, ma'am.
I think it's a deleted.
It's a result table in which we can store the subject marks as well as their attendance percentage and grades. So I want to run this query. So it shows the none. No, I already insert that. Okay. It's first. Okay, first of all, we want to add some marks and percentage to the database.
First report card is generated. Of course.
Okay. 5. I have already entered one student's marks and other things. So I will just admission number to search. It is 1. So it is generated the report card. You can see that the English subject, their grades and percentage, attendance is 36% and grade is and remark that it can shows the improvement report also. We can create a graph performance also, like using the graphs we can shows the visualization.
Student performance.
Yeah. So suppose I just want to choose 7 and run that. I want to show the first student's graph. Okay. I will choose 1. Then it will shows the graph. This graph is means for the creation of the graph I use the matplotlib in my Python code. You can see here. Import matplotlib. Okay. And for closing the application, simply just 1 minute.
Enter. Second.
8 to close the application. So it will successfully exit the program. So it is a small project for student marks and report card generated. In future we can add the using the Tkinter platform for the user interface. It is very interactive for the user experience. The user will get the satisfied from the Tkinter user interface. So it is my small project presentation. Thank you very much for giving a valuable time for me and opportunity for showcase my project. Thank you very much.
So, good afternoon to everyone. My name is Abhishek Raj, and today I am going to present one of my project which titles is Waste Distance Measurement. And this project is developed using technology like Python, and for that I have used IDE, PyCharm IDE, and the library which is extensively used in this project is OpenCV. OpenCV is a library which stands for Open Source Computer Vision, and that library is basically used for webcam applications like detection of face, hands, and other parts of the bodies and objects. So for this project I have used 2 library like CV2 and CVZone, and sorry.
You can take that in your hand. No worries.
So CV2 is a module which is built upon OpenCV,
and it is used for webcam and image applications. And CV Zone is a library which is used for which is built upon OpenCV also, and it simplifies the task like face detection and drawing on face. Like our face has a total 468 landmarks. Okay, and we use this library to specify that landmarks. We are using face distance measurement. We are using two landmarks of our eyes, right eyes and left eyes. Landmark of our left eye is 145 and right eye is 374. There are totals 468 landmarks on our face. And after that we have used I have used NumPy library for mathematical calculations and expressions in the code. And so first I will run my code. So it detects I am standing 120, 123, 124 centimeter away from the webcam.
So it is calculating only distance or identifying who you are.
No, only distance. This side it is title given of the project, face distance measurement created by.
What is the use of it?
Okay, so the use of this project, we can use it for health monitoring. Like if an employee is using his screen too close to the screen of the PC or laptop, so it will alert him that you are sitting too close and it is not good for your health. We can use it on that. And if someone is playing online games, when the situation is something like critical, so the adrenaline rush in their body, they sit too close to the screen. At that moment also it can alert them that you are sitting too close to the PC. And we can install it we can assemble it with IoT and install it in traffic area or border areas also for security reasons.
How?
We have to modify that code also little bit. Like it is only using face distance measurement, but if we modify our code a little bit, it can also identify person who is standing there. If we give the database of that reasons, means government has everyone's IDs, who is the citizen of India, who is not.
If we are calculating only distance, then why face? Why not other objects?
Yeah, we can calculate that, but
It is just a
demonstration of that OpenCV library.
Okay, fine. Any questions? I think this can be modified and used for the blind people also. It can give if your camera detects person, like you are really near to me, so it will be
if we are using it
so
for
this can be modified in this way also.
But the blind person cannot see the picture, na?
He don't want to that it will give him alertness that someone is standing. He don't want to see the picture.
Okay.
It's just alertness.
as your project is just a distance measurement.
Yes.
That is why we are just explaining the future scope.
Okay, got it.
Okay, any questions apart from that? Any questions?
It's give error alert if its screen is here.
Hmm.
It is come error, right? Your speed is too close. It's come error, I don't know.
Error?
No. It is just a situation matter. Fine, I will explain. So, as your project is mentioning the exact distance, right? So, how much lesser distance your project is identifying and capturing? How much lesser
See,
from the camera?
the lens of camera.
No.
Distance is measured from the lens of camera
Yes.
to the actual
Person.
standing. Okay, and
What happened
as long as I have run this project too close to the camera, it is not showing any error to me.
No, not like that. What is my question? Let me again explain.
Okay.
I'm asking how much is lesser distance, small distance, smaller
What is the
distance.
minimum distance
To measure.
No,
What is the minimum distance to measure?
don't confuse him. Actually, what I am asking, for example, if I am standing just far away from the camera, it will calculate 1 kilometer.
Hmm.
If I am too close, then how much I can be too close that your camera will identify you are 0.001 kilometer. Like
No,
that.
it is not like that. Actually, I have mentioned. I
It
have
will
used.
only show how
I
much.
have used a module face mesh module, and I have here located that max face count is one only. Okay, and means if there is a bunch of people standing in a crowd, it will detect only one person face. And the logic behind calculating the distance by calculating the eyes, because our eye distance is fixed in adult, it is 6.3 centimeter.
So that is what my question is. If you are talking, if you want to avoid that kid to use a mobile at very closer position, then you have
Then
to
we can use if else condition in that case also, like
how much, like here. That is what my question
15 सेंटीमीटर से दूर रहना चाहिए,
That is your
ऐसा कहा जाता है. तो मैंने इस केस में डाला नहीं है उसको इफ एल्स कंडीशन देके, बट उसको हम एडिट कर सकते हैं अगर हमको अपने एप्लीकेशंस के साथ देना है. अगर वो 15 सेंटीमीटर के ज्यादा पास आएगा तो वो अलर्ट देगा, उसमें वो इफ एल्स कंडीशन लगेगा फिर.
Exactly my question.
मैंने इसमें डाला नहीं था ना.
It's not
हाँ.
giving any error or like a beep error message or any alerts, any alerts.
इसमें नहीं, अब
project
खड़ा हो जाए तो ऐसे चिपक
डिटेक्ट नहीं करेगा ना, कैमरा के पास रहेगा तो. कैमरा का एक पर्टिकुलर विंडो होता है, उस पे फेस आना चाहिए, ठीक है, क्योंकि फेस का एक टोटल मतलब 468 लैंडमार्क्स है.
टोटल फेस वहां पे दिखेगा.
हाँ, तो ही डिटेक्ट होगा. अगर पूरा फेस नहीं दिखेगा तो वो डिटेक्ट नहीं करेगा. हाँ, उसको फिर हम लोग कैमरा से भी एडजस्ट कर सकते हैं, कैमरा का अगर फोकल लेंथ को और पीछे किया जाए तो.
Got it. Nice.
थैंक यू.
Okay, fine.
Good afternoon, everyone.
Yes, good afternoon.
My name is Amit. Today I am presenting project of.
What is your name? What is your name?
Amir.
Amir.
Today I am
Your project name?
हाँ? मुलान. हाँ. Good afternoon, everyone. My name is Amir Mulani. Today I am representing mini project of restaurant management system. In this project, I am using languages Python, HTML, CSS. Python for backend and HTML, CSS for frontend.
So HTML, CSS, this is heading HTML, CSS.
Yes, ma'am.
So your restaurant name is Rolex.
Yes.
Why such a special name? Who inspired you?
That is a Pacific restaurant, big hotels. There are big hotels.
Big hotels.
For this setup is for big hotels, big restaurants for Pacific for
Just like
person.
Domino's.
Yes. The Pacific Restaurant app. This is made for Pacific Restaurant app to develop her own app and website for online delivery, online order also, and on bill also.
Students, this is special application designed for special type of hotels. I will look, and that can afford only big, like big type of hotels only, big hotel chains. So just have a look. Yes.
In this Python code, I use the dictionary list type of dictionary to add a menu, specific menu of a restaurant, pizza, burger, anything about menu to add.
So you already added those menus.
Yes.
So many.
I use iteration function to add menu, various menu add. If burger, pizza, selecting menu, various menu select. I use the list function, append function to add the menu in one list. I add here GST 0.5% of each product. If pizza of 20 rupees, 200 rupees, the 200% of 5% of 200 will add GST. And represent the total bill in the
With GST.
yes.
5% the GST.
Not
18%.
no, their food limit is up to 5 to 15%.
Food it is high.
5 to 15%.
So can you go to back to menu?
Yes.
Okay, who will order?
Chicken pizza.
No. That option is not there. So
Yes.
please pick another. Chicken pizza.
Second pizza option is there.
Okay.
Fourth option, please pick that.
Veg burger.
Quantity is there also.
कौन सा?
Veg burger. Fourth option.
Veg burger.
Yes. We can change quantity also. We can change quantity
Yes,
also.
we can.
We can increase quantity also.
So how many veg burgers? White sauce pasta. So just white sauce pasta. Quantity. Just make it two. Okay, fine.
Veg biryani.
Reverse. The bill is
Representing item quantity. Representing item quantity plus price and total price. Adding with GST 5% and total bill. Okay. That's it about my project.
Faculty table, and in that faculty table there is teacher ID, teacher's name, and teachers which course our teacher is teaching, Python, Excel, everything. And in that the status is like teacher is active or inactive. Basically it is present in this Puneri pattern or not. And that one is gender. Next is student data. In student data there is a student ID, student name, joining date of student, and status, it is active or not. Another one is gender. Next is
active or not means he's attending the class or not.
no ma'am, it is a basically if
Is active with the services.
no is what I'm thinking, it is present, it is attending or basically
the class?
no basically the students are joined in the class, but some 2-3 days he will left the class because of
Not present.
not present, not exist in this class,
He's
absent. So this is a performance table. In that there is student ID which will join to the student table, and the teacher ID will be joined to the faculty table. And there is a course subject like Python, Excel, everything, and the total marks and obtained marks, which the Puneri pattern takes in Saturdays like aptitude. There is a total marks and obtained marks. It will check the performance of the students. It is improving or not. Next one is attendance. In that we can check that the student are attending the lecture or not. So this is a basic, and this is a Venn diagram of my project.
Can you just show it to us because we are. Only 4 tables we have it.
Only 4 tables. This is a like a small project, like purpose only. If you want to create a more person, there is many changes in that. We can add the placement also, if the student get a place or not. And there is some rules are there in the Puneri pattern, like 1 year assessment. After that, the student has that is. But name only is Puneri pattern. In that Puneri pattern, the values are not real. It is on my side only.
Can you run in your system? We can see that.
Okay, ma'am. So here is the faculty table. In that, we can check. And this is the faculty table. And there is faculty table.
Teacher name is there. Course,
Yes,
course status,
status. Yeah.
and student gender, right?
Yeah.
Or
No,
teacher.
teachers and
Okay. So this is a teacher's table.
yes, ma'am. So here we can check that the teacher is active or not. There is one teacher called size. Is inactive. So it is not present in this.
How to active inactive insert in your table? Just a status.
Status. I have inserted in that table. This is the answer. No, manually. Directly in. We can do not use any other direct. In the gender also we are using in. So male and female. So this is active and inactive student. And next one is a student. This is student data. The student ID, student name, and joining date. And this is active or inactive. This is course, data science, data analysis, and full stack alone. And here is a gender. So here we can also find the active student, inactive student. These both are inactive. It is not present in the class. And sorry, ma'am. This all our students are present in Puneri pattern and are going classes. Here is
About their attendance.
all are
So how you are tracking the attendance?
right.
Manually?
Now is going to
Currently it's manually. Data science
This is status. All this. There is a 3 lecture only in the one course. Python has a 3 lecture. 1, 2, 3. In the 3 lecture, all Python will be completed. Like it is SQL has 3 lecture, and in that the some are absent. Yes, ma'am. This is a count of present.
How many times they were present?
Present, yes. Here. Is absent. How many times are they absent? Which one are absent? Which with the names also, and count of absent.
Who is absent?
Yes. Here joined in joins, and here is the performance.
Student performance.
Student performance.
2 exams, right?
Yes. It is based of aptitude exams. Everything's assessment like either Python course a Python paper. Here the total marks.
Total marks out of marks.
No, no, ma'am. वो permanent
Out of marks. The opted marks are there.
opted marks
Out of
series.
30, how much you got?
Yes. Here is a teacher name, teacher ID. Who
Which
will
teacher
take-
check that?
check that. So here we can use the inner joint and outer joint. This is a full joint. We get all the data. All. This is a basic present absent students. Which student is present in the paper or not? We can check.
Absent student.
Yes, we can check the absent student.
Attempted.
Yes. This is a percentage we find the, and in this we can check that the performance of student. The 0-1 students are there, which is in the first paper he complete the 66 marks, and then it gets 60%. But after third paper it get the like that. This is a with name. This in ID. In this, the student name also there and teacher name also there, and everything is there with percentage and everything. So there is many things are there, man. We can analyze all the things.
Good.
My name is Kunal Lanjewar. I created Siva e-commerce sales dashboard by using Power BI. Siva is basically my name. My nickname.
Your name is Kunal.
Yes, my nickname is Siva.
Okay.
Siva e-commerce sales dashboard by using Power BI to track key sales. Marketing KPI. The goal was to help this dashboard business stakeholder to take a decision and monitoring key sales metrics identify top selling product, top state, top category, top customer, top profit loss by month, top subcategory. Dataset taken from Kaggle CSV format, that is details sales and order sales. This is my data set: order ID, amount, profit, quantity, category, subcategory, payment mode, and AOE, average order value. This is a DAX. By using DAX measure, average order value means total quantity, total amount divided by quantity. That is order average value. This is second data set: order e-sales, order ID, order date, customer name, state, and city. I use Power Query for data cleaning, remove duplicates, null value, calculate corrected date formats, and using DAX measure for KPI like average order value. There are different some features like sum of amount based on state, sum of quantity based on category, sum of amount based on customer name, sum of quantity based on payment mode, sum of profit subcategory, profit loss by each and every month, slicer and filter also use. There are state name, lots of state names. We can easily find out data. Example, Maharashtra. The whole data set is changed. Clicking Maharashtra, total amount is 1,02,000. Sum of profit is 6,963, and sum of quantity is 1,091. 28,000 is average order value.
Okay. So can you check it for some 1 week of period duration customers?
Yes. Basically, I found is month-wise profit, weekly or day-wise also we can find out values. Data set, ma'am. Data set. Month, year wise, quarterly, monthly date.
Check for week.
Week is not adding this time. Yes, ma'am.
Can you check for a day?
Open new page.
Can I suggest you?
Yes.
You can use deal through. So your January will be getting.
This is x-axis. Yes. Month. मंथच्या ठिकाणी ते डे टाकावं लागेल. That is day wise. Or year wise. Year wise also.
I have also
Quarterly.
they want to show the traits. Just traits are trait.
Can you show me the rate of rate?
Overtime.
Overtime.
Overtime rate show.
Rate over time.
Trend over time.
Trend over time.
Trend overtime.
Yes.
म्हणजे
Trend line.
टाइम वाईज तुझं सेल्स किती झालंय ते दाखवू शकतोस का?
No, this time not.
It's a question. How it is show?
Line chart. Line chart also use.
So can you explain us what is it?
This is line chart visual. Secondary. One April is sum of profit is 975 rupees. Then
On 1 April.
yes, this is line chart 20 April 2018. Then 23, like that we can see all the profits by month wise, date wise. This line trend, this visual is line trend.
Okay.
Line chart. I found that is clothing categories contribute highest sale. Highest sale is 56%, but lowest profit because of discount. Printer is highest profit.
Okay. Can you tell me lowest loss, highest loss date and time? Over this.
Lowest loss.
Sorry, highest loss
Highest loss.
date and time and the amount.
799.
And what
Lowest
What about after October 2018? After?
632.
No, after.
After
There is one more.
15, minus 15.
So minus 15 is higher or like that
Lower.
minus
15 is lower profit.
than minus 600 and something like
Ah.
that.
Yes, ma'am.
So who will be with car? Because saying that minus 15 is higher than minus
Lower.
600.
minus 15 is
Minus
higher than
15 is
minus 16.
मायनस 15 जी आधीची व्हॅल्यू होती त्याच्यापेक्षा मोठी येते कारण मायनस मध्ये आपण
मायनस मध्ये मोठी व्हॅल्यू मोठी व्हॅल्यू राहते.
Okay, fine. Any questions from this?
Why you use tax?
टॅक्स सर ओनली म्हणजे ॲड कॉलम बेसिकली
I can directly add with that.
ॲड कॉलम यस ॲव्हरेज ऑर्डर व्हॅल्यू ॲड कॉलम
Why you
using
use
DAX measure.
That is unnecessary.
यस
So you
बेसिकली
can
डायरेक्टली ॲड कॉलम ॲव्हरेज ऑर्डर व्हॅल्यू
with
यस
the help of calculated
कॅल्क्युलेटेड कॉलम यस
do the DAX operation.
Yes.
So you no need DAX functions.
Yes, DAX function or DAX measure. Oh, yes.
Can you show the model view?
One to many relationship.
So
Order ID.
can you show that the relationship? Double click on that relationship. What is cardinality?
Cardinality, sir. One to many. Order ID is my primary key. Primary key is order sales, and foreign key is details. A sales is foreign ID. Is one to many relationship. Order ID to this order ID.
One to many means what?
Basically, order ID is my primary key. That is my one, and relationship with many.
Many.
Yes.
So, which column is common? Order ID.
Yes, sir. Order ID is common to connect the both tables.
So can you show the table?
Table.
Order ID.
Yes, sir. Order ID. This is order ID of
Are those IDs are
order
unique?
sales. Yes,
And in this table also they are unique.
unique.
So why you won't use one by one relationship? Why you use one to many?
It's only column name same. Your data is different. right?
Unique. Yes.
Then how it is connected? Order IDs are different. Then how it will relate with that data? It's okay, no problem.
Order ID.
So basically, I have created an PPT. My name is Anuja Thomre, and I have created a project on the topic data preparation in Power BI using exploring data transformation using ribbons and HR Analytics dashboard. Basically, my project is on HR Analytics dashboard, and I have transformed the data by collecting it from Kaggle and then storing it on CSV file in Excel, and then I have transformed it into Power Query editor tools. I have cleaned them, transformed, and maintained a dashboard. So these are basically my topic: preparation in Power BI using exploring transformation data ribbons and HR Analytics dashboard. This is the introduction. Power BI is the powerful tool for business intelligence and data analytics. So basically इसमें I have taken the raw data and cleaned it, structured and usable formats. I have built it into a transformable dashboard. This is the project overview and challenges which I faced during cleaning of the data, like missing values, inconsistent entries, formatting anomalies, missing column headers, incorrect regional settings, and inconsistent delimiters and all. These are the workflow. Raw data Power Query Editor, transformation, data modeling, and visual reports. Visual reports is the final project of dashboard of HR analytics I have made. This is the transformation of dashboard. This is the dashboard which I have created. This is the name of the my project, so that it will be easy for the readers to understand it. This is the slicer which I have used. This is the tree map. This is the KPIs. First is the count of employees, attrition rate, average age of the people which are from that organization or the company, average salary of that company members, like the employees or the other ones, average years, count of employees is 1470, attrition is 237, attrition rate is 16.1%, in percentage it is given, average age is of 37 of the candidates which have been deducted for the attrition purpose. Average salary is 6.5k and average years is 7, which is very good in any organization or in any organization. Attrition by gender, there are two, like males and females. Males are the highest one of 150 and females are of 87. This is the slicer which I have used, like first is for human resource, second is for research and development, third is for the sale. First I have used a donut chart or the pie chart, which you can say. Attrition by education, I have separated these columns. First is for life science, where you can see that education field is of life science and 89% is the count, attrition count, and 37.55 is the percentage, 55 is the percentage. This is the medical, 63 and 26.58 is the percentage. And this is the marketing department of 35, 14.77 is the percentage rate. This is the technical degree, 32 and 14 basically is the 14% for the this thing, attrition by education. And these are the other department. This is smallly of human resource.
I understand this. Then I want to see here only marketing, right? Marketing, right?
Yes.
Then how it is filter?
See. So you can see that males are of 20%, females are of 15% from this gender, and attrition by age, 15% from 26 to 35 age, 18 to 25 of age 7.
Is the male and female in the percentage or?
No, it is on the counter, attrition count.
This is also percentage, right?
Yes. Should I proceed?
Continue.
Attrition by salary slab, it is given up to 5k or 5000, it is 13. Just a minute. So attrition by salary slab, for 163 candidates are there, and for 5k to 10k there are 49 candidates. For 10k to 15k there are 20 candidates, and 15k or above more than 15k there are 5 candidates for their attrition for the salary slab. This is the this is for the sum of attrition count and years at the company. The candidates which have survived in that company for how many years, it is shown in that in this graph. This is the job role profile from which you can check the salary score. This is the salary score, and total there are 237, where the attrition rate is 237. You can cross verify from there. Attrition by job role, laboratory technician is 62, sales executive is 57, research scientist is 47, and sales representative is 33. From this you can also conclude that HR can also analyze how the performance of the employee can be deducted, and analyze that very briefly.
If I want data for specific 3 years.
3 years.
How can you show that?
So the average year of person is 7 years. So you can.
I want to show only 3 years. Then.
I'm not able to recognize it, but I think that from this you can also check how much the candidates have been gone from this category, like 0 or from 1, like in this range, years at company it's showing as 1, and from this it's 5, 4, 6, and this all you can.
Can use the date slicer.
Yes sir, I can use that date slicer, but it was not fitting in that, like.
Okay.
Thank you, ma'am.
Good afternoon, everyone. My name is Rohit Bosle, and today I am presenting to Cloud Concept Dashboard hosted on AWS S3. Now I will first the presentation of PPT and explain PPT, and now live demonstration of my project. In this project, visual dashboard of core AWS services visually explain AWS compute storage and networking, fully static website hosted on AWS S3. S3 means a static simple storage services, and educational. This purpose of educational and portfolio friendly project, and my goal was to create an interactive UI using only front-ended tools to simplify AWS cloud concept for learners, demonstrate cloud hosting using AWS free tiers. And I used some tools and technology just like HTML, CSS, AWS S3, HTML for content, content structure, CSS for layout, animation and tags, AWS S3 for a static website hosting. And project features. In the main features of the flip card of service, you flip the card project, you flip the card, then show the more information of this category, like tags like compute storage and networking, responsive layout using CSS grid, and professional and modern look. And I covered the basic AWS services covered like VPC, EC2, S3, and add like IAM, CloudWatch, RDS in a future enhancement. And the most important part of my project, hosting on S3. Now I will just switch the screen and live demonstration start. Okay.
Okay, screen share झाली.
नेटवर्क केलं आता चालत होतं तिथे खाली होतं. Now I then go to S3. प्रॅक्टिकल आहे ना. हां चालतं ना.
असे जोडायचे
तसे जोडलेलं
वरती करून आणलं ते नाही जे मार्क केलं ब्लॅक तेच नाही ते आधी केलं लावलं तेच
हे ना.
हा तेच खालून वरती शेंडर
Then first I will create the bucket. Bucket name. And block public access and create the bucket.
Google Drive ला असतं. Google Drive ला upload करून data वगैरे.
When I go to open the bucket and upload files. Add files.
like HTML file.
हाँ. Select and upload.
So basically our pages will be live, right?
हाँ.
Okay.
And go to permission, and some permission there will be added. First public access, unblock this and save changes.
Public data.
bucket policy, and the policy generator. Type of policy is 3 bucket policy, principal, and generate policy. Copy this code, paste,
Is it JSON object?
yes, and bucket, static website hosting is enabled. Index. And save changes. And then URL, copy this. You can see my dashboard.
This is static page.
And you can flip, show more, add information.
Can you tell me what is the use of bucket policy?
Bucket policy is enable generate the copy JSON code and save.
Okay, means it will give the permission publicly, right? We can use this website publicly
Yes.
anywhere. Okay, so can we use this website publicly, like anywhere in the world?
This link share me admin. You can check.
So means anyone,
anyone
can access this website.
Access this
publicly.
Publicly.
Okay.
Why you use
You are having link. Only that person can check.
तिथं लोड घातलं असतं ते जास्त 2-3 टॅब नेट चालत नाही एवढं फास्ट इथं. मी सेंड करू माझ्या फ्रेंडला ही URL कॉपी करून दाखव.
You can show me.
ओंकार.
Here is the website.
Okay.
Okay.
It's live.
Yeah, so we can use this website globally anywhere.
Okay.
So this is the concept. Yes, okay. Yeah.
Thank you.
My name is Aarti Imbalkar and my team member is Rohan Chavan. Today we are going to give presentation on very important concept of cloud computing, that is AWS autoscaling. Let us see what is autoscaling. Autoscaling is a feature in AWS that automatically increase or decrease the number of compute resources, that is EC2 instance. Autoscaling automatically adjusts the number of instances. It may be increase or decrease. Second, AWS autoscaling automatically adds more EC2 instance to handle traffic and removes them after the traffic drops. If there is more traffic, then EC2 instance add more instances, and when there is no traffic or traffic drops, then it removes the instances as per requirement. It saves the cost without affecting user experience. Why use autoscaling? Why we use autoscaling? Let us see. High availability. Autoscaling ensure your application remains online and responsive even during traffic. When there is more traffic, then also it may be responsive. Second, autoscaling add instances when demand increases. For example, an online shopping site during a sale weekend sees massive traffic. Autoscaling adds instances instantly to server all users without slowing down. Suppose it may be Saturday or Sunday weekend, and there we take online shopping app, that is Flipkart. There are more traffic during Sunday and Saturday. Then it will automatically add more instances to it responsive to online it responsive. Second, cost optimization. Avoid over provisioning. You don't need to keep unnecessary server running all the time. It automatically removes the unnecessary servers. Suppose there are no traffic, then it will automatically remove the instance. Pay only for what you use. When we use that time only we have to pay that. Example, at midnight or during off hours, traffic drops. Autoscaling reduce the number of running instances, cut unnecessary cost. If we don't, if there is no traffic at overnight or day, the autoscaling automatically removes the unnecessary servers. Second, fault tolerance. If EC2 instance fails due to hardware or software errors, autoscaling detect the replace it automatically. If there are some error in that error due to hardware or software, then it automatically detects the error and it may continue. Maintain the minimum required capacity, ensuring no single point of failure. Example, one EC2 crashed due to a system error. ASG ASG means autoscaling group. It automatically replaces it with a new healthy instance, ensuring zero downtime. How autoscaling works? First, we have to launch a template, then create a autoscaling group. After that, set cell policies, that is target, steps and schedule. Fourth, AWS monitors metrics via Cloud Watch. Fifth, instance scale in or out automatically. What is load balancer? A load balancer is a service that distributes incoming traffic across multiple EC2 instances. It automatically distributes the traffic. In AWS, this is done using Elastic Load Balancer. It ensures no single server get overloaded and improve.
We can start it.
Okay.
First of all, create an instance.
Network.
Replace the process.
पुन्हा एकदा लॉग इन कर अकाउंट.
Browser.
Launch instance, first of all, name server name.
Here we are going to give a name to our instance. Next.
Operating system is Ubuntu. KPI. Create a KPI.
It is for security purpose. After that, we choose allow SH traffic, that is secure shell, and second allow HTTP for to connect a web server. Now in advanced detail, we paste some code to connect with Apache server. Install Apache and start Apache server. It will connect Ubuntu server to web server. Launch instance. We have successfully launched instance. Then go back to instance and refresh it. You can see here instance is running state. Then connect it. Here we connect it to public IP address. Then here is username Ubuntu. Connect. Here we have successfully connected. Then here is public IP address and here is private IP address. This IP address is globally everyone can use it. Then we will copy that IP address and paste it on browser.
Check the all files inside the web.
Here we successfully created website. Now you can also try it on your mobile phone. When you will paste that IP address on your mobile phone, you can also access that website. Anyone want to try this?
Any questions?
अजून झालं नाही.
इथे तुम्ही ऍक्सेस करायचा कोणाला ऍक्सेस करायचा असेल तर
She is trying. She tried to access. झालं? Okay.
Show it everyone.
Show it everyone. It is working. So next.
Load balancing दाखवून द्या. Elastic load balance.
Template create कर.
Elastic load balance.
Direct. Okay.
एक अजून लॉन्च करून घे इंस्टन्स. प्रॅक्टिकल
Here we are creating one more instance.
With Amazon as operating system.
Yes, Amazon operating system.
So why it
Creating.
is specific? Why it is not cross OS? Like, just like there are multi platforms like different. Why it is not cross OS? Why it is OS specific?
What is the question?
Take time to think about it and let me know the answer by tomorrow as well. I just had a question. What is the
Question. What is the question?
There are multiple operating systems, right?
Ubuntu, Amazon.
Just
Scroll up. Up.
Okay. So there are multiple OS, right? We have to create everything. Like for every OS, we have to create new instance, and you have to just check it out. So why there is no like provision like multi OS type of situation? Like we can access from any OS. Why it is not like that? There are lot many websites who are running in different platforms like Chrome, Microsoft, iOS at the same moment of time.
Every operating system is different. So
every browser is different, sir. Every OS is different.
Operating system.
But still there is a provision that
Right. So here it is a different platform. Okay, so it is providing me individually operating systems. So we cannot.
Why it is not there? That is, I know like OS is different.
Yeah.
I know like.
But we cannot use in Amazon Linux operating any browser.
Why?
Because
we cannot use?
this is the operating
This is
system.
time consuming.
Server.
Right?
Yeah.
We have to create it for every type of OS. Like for example, as a business, I do have customers on Windows as well as on different OS.
Right.
For everything, for every time and everything, I have to create different instances. It is very difficult for me to use AWS.
Right. But suppose when we create the one image, okay, of our operating system, so we can easily use globally. So after using this globally, so you can use any browser, you can use any inside the like software. Okay, you can install and you can use it globally. Just you have to create the one image. So this is the.
That is what I am talking. Like it is just like a Chrome. Then it's fine. Like I can use it for any type of. But for every OS, so why it is not.
This is the cloud platform.
Virtually, it works virtually. Virtual server it is. So.
Yeah, I know it is virtual, but still, why it's not like that?
Yeah, continue.
Fine, please proceed.
It will take time.
Next, launch template. Here we are launching template. Advanced. Create launch template. We have successfully created launch template. Now we are creating autoscaling group. Here, name to autoscaling group. Second, select the template that we have created. Next, select the availability zone. That when suppose one instance may not working properly, then it will automatically create the next. Here attached to new load balancer. Here we are selecting internet facing because it may access internet. Next, default routing. Create target group to set a target. Desired capacity. Here are the capacity of instances that we want to create. Maximum till nth number of capacity. Next. Creating autoscaling group. Select the autoscaling group. We have created autoscaling group, but automatically it create a load balancer. Now in resource. Refresh. In resource map, we will check the created instance. HTTP server, transfer rules to target group, and these are the instances created. Refresh. If we delete one instance, it automatically create the another one.
ऑपरेटिंग सिस्टम लॉन्च आणि समजे आता ऑनलाईन यांना गरज असते आपण एखादा सर्वर डाऊन गेला त्या ठिकाणी ऑटोमॅटिकली क्रिएट करून स्टॉप.
How the load is balanced?
Through target group. It has a specific target or a specific path to balance traffic.
And how load is calculated?
The number of instances created.
With the help of the number of instances, you can calculate the load. You can distribute the load in the number of instances, right?
Yes.
But how you can calculate the load or traffic? Is there any measure? After a high load, your website will be crashed. So how you can say it is a high load?
क्रॅश होणारच नाही बिकॉज काय माहिती आहे ते ऑटोमॅटिक अजून एक इन्स्टन्स लोड होते म्हणजे एक जर क्रॅक झालं ना.
But you already decided that only 2 instances will be there. Then beyond that, how it will create?
Autoscaling group. We have created autoscaling group, so that automatically adds in instance.
Even though I require only 2, but still it will create third one.
Yes.
Okay. That is how it will balance. Okay.
So there is no need to calculate the load.
Yes. Here are healthy instances, and if we stop or delete one instance, then it will be unhealthy instance.
सर्वरला
Last 5 minutes. सगळ्यांचे पेशन्स संपले.
सरांचं आपण कालच घेतलं पाहिजे.
This will be learning for us. Next time आपण divide करू. आधी नाव द्यायचे प्रोजेक्ट.
Here is one, we delete or sorry, we stop one instance, then it is in initial state drain. Yes.
Nice.
And one is healthy.
Sorry.
Thank you.
Hello everyone, my name is Akif Qureshi and I am pursuing final year PCA in Pune, Abhiday Namdar Senior College. My project title is Music Suggestion Website. I make a full stack website using Python, HTML, CSS. My goal is to suggest a song based on user mode. It is my project goal. First of all, project overview. It is a mode melody, a dynamic music suggestion website built with Flask. Flask is a framework that used to link with HTML and Python file linked together. I am using in backend Python with a Flask framework. In front end, I use HTML and CSS to make my project attractive. And data handling, I use Python dictionary in Python programming in Python code. There are syntax that I
Can you run this project?
Yes. This is output screen.
Okay. First of all, so functionalities, what happened in this project. then explain what you want.
Huh.
I using Flash, so this is a dictionary that I using in.
No, I am saying first of all, explain project functionality. What exactly do this project? Then after that, you can explain project and what you.
This is structure efficiently maps mode like user choice mode according to user, happy, sad, energetic, dancing mode. So user select the mode and after that it runs on browser like that.
Choose anyone.
Anyone.
According to your mood.
And play like that. Playing link connect. I give a link directly YouTube link to the project.
बट मैं डायरेक्टली सर्च कर सकती हूँ ना यूट्यूब में तो
नहीं according to mood.
अकॉर्डिंग टू मूड में यहाँ पे
I give already in coding. There are mode and songs link provide. I copy from the YouTube and paste there in code. According to mood, play the song. User can song.
Like हम बोलते हैं Alexa do this, do that, like that.
नहीं. It is there are option of modes. Whenever user like to play according to mood, like romantic song, sad song, happy song, like
But
that.
I am giving input to Alexa also, no? That to play the song. This is your input, right? Happy, sad, romantic. Correct. So Alexa is also, we are giving input to Alexa.
But I directly provide a link to play the song directly.
She also do that.
and YouTube also do that.
So
Alexa.
what is the main
Motive of this project.
motive of this for?
Mood, according to user's mood, suggest a song. This is the my.
Okay, no problem. Go ahead.
Your project will not bother which song to play, right? We just have to put our mood, right?
Yes. Choose mode. We drop down list.
Remember some lyrics to type in the YouTube. So that is the uniqueness of this project, right?
Yeah.
Now we just think like if my mood is happy, I have to think what type of song I have to play. I have to type it. I have to at least
No, you can only select the mode and suggest a song option are there.
Okay.
You can suggest a song. It provide a, it suggest a song like Kesaria.
Okay, there will be suggestions.
And it is a
only same song. If I suggest, I put happy my mood. So only suggest only this song every time. If I am happy, and
Can we add more songs
more
in
song, but code is very lengthy, so I add only
that? Okay.
one song.
That is just for demonstration.
Demonstration.
Okay, no problem.
You put those song links. Can you show us?
This is links in Python code. In dictionary, I add this link in tuple.
Okay, so you can put many links over here. So that list will be displayed there.
Tuple.
Yep, that tuple will be, but that is a one list, na type of list. Tuple is also immutable list, na. That is immutable list, right? So on the display page, go there. So if I put some random songs over there, the link of that song I put there, then those songs will be shown here or not?
No.
No. Why? So why you are putting links there?
It connect with mode, not separate.
Okay, no problem. Go ahead.
This is a syntax that I am scrolling the banner in output screen, and this is a drop down list like happy mode. This is a mode drop down list I added, and in Python I created a dictionary and mode.
मल्टीपल सॉन्ग्स भी पास कर सकते हैं
हाँ कर
डिक्शनरी के अंदर
सकते, हाँ कर सकते।
वही तो पूछा था हमने।
मल्टीपल सॉन्ग ऐड कर सकते हैं अंदर डिक्शनरी में। मैं कोड लेंदी होगा बोल के शॉर्ट कोड।
No problem.
That time only happy for one song, sad mood for one song only.
You can, I can add
You
so
can
many
add
links.
also, but this time if I want mood, my mood is happy, then only perform one song in
Yeah.
Python.
Yes.
Okay.
So song suggestion will be for one song at a time for one mode, right? Right.
I can add multiple, but code is very lengthy, so that's why.
Currently, for the demonstration purpose,
Yes.
you put one song for
Yes.
each mode.
Yes.
Okay.
Okay. And what is the future scope of this project?
Feature scope. I add multiple songs. This is a path that connect. I connect in Python. This is a HTML file that connect time. This is enough. Thank you, ma'am. Sakib Qureshi.
Sakib
Qureshi.
The name is there on his project, right? Can you
Yes. Yes.
There is a name.
project name
Just a second. We also I think on first.
Sakib.
Yeah, that is the name.
Sakib. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am.
So, good afternoon, everyone. I'm Priyanka Mandre. Today, I'm here to represent how I created the annual sales report for the Vrunda store. So, in Excel, all the data was there. So, all the cleaning I done in Excel. So, if any null values is there, I remove that. If any duplicate values are there, I removed the duplicate values also. And after the cleaning of the data, I created the interactive and solution oriented dashboard in Tableau. So here, if you see from the total orders, all the top channels was Amazon, Mintra and Flipkart. From these channels, most of the order comes for the store for the whole 2022 year. Then again, from that orders, most of the purchasing person was the women category. Sorry. Also, there are around 13.76 million women who shopped from the Vrunda store, and remaining 7.68 million was the male category. So if we see gender wise, then the shopping done by the women mostly. Again, in that gender, adult people are shopping more than the teenager and the senior. Again, top 7 states which contributed to the Vrunda store for the annual sale was Maharashtra, Karnataka, Uttar Pradesh, and Telangana and Tamil Nadu. These are the top 5 states from where the orders were came. In that orders, delivery is the highest, and cancel rate is only maybe 1%. From that also, from the store, the set and kurta category was the most purchased. And if we see here, women are purchasing, so obvious fields or sets and category, sets and kurta from the women category was the purchasing one, and the sizes was medium and large. So if in future store wants to like convey their to add their shop or do the advertisement, or in future they want to increase their sales, they're mostly they have to target the women which were in the adult category. And also from the Amazon, Myntra and Flipkart, they have to place more variety, so that people will attract more there. Also they have to do like local advertising in the Maharashtra, Karnataka, Uttar Pradesh state, because mostly buyers are from that state only. And also in the March month, the highest sale we can see. Okay.
Any questions?
Any questions?
From owner side? Any questions from
Why you won't use any slicer or something?
Yes, because in Tableau I was having only lesser options than Power BI, and here I used bar chart, line chart, pie chart, and this table format. This was the variety I got in the Tableau than the Power BI.
So how we can filter the data?
Yes. If you want to see only the March month data, yes, this is the March month data. In this March month, 1.37 million women who buyed, and again the orders, mostly orders from the Maharashtra, Karnataka and Uttar Pradesh state. Delivery was 2,653, and most of the sets are buyed from that March month.
Okay. Yes. This is interactive dashboard or not?
Yes, ma'am. Because if I want to get any information, I only want to click, and it will give all the data. All the graphs will change according to that filter.
How?
Yes, one was March month I shown. Another, if you want to see only for the Maharashtra state, then again for the Maharashtra state, 0.19 million was the woman, and 0.09 million was the male only. And Amazon, Myntra, Flipkart are the highest selling channels.
Then I want to see here August month, then female gender में कितने सेल हो गए हैं मुझे देखना है.
Yes. Yes. This is August for the women category only. So
Where is total sale?
Total amount is here 5 million.
Fine.
Okay, so any question apart from trainers? Any questions from student side? No questions. Almost done.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am. Thank you, everyone.
Thank you.
So, hello everyone, good afternoon. My name is Shivraj Vinayak Rao Kalyankar. I am from Nanded, pursuing my final year BCA from Swami Ramanand Marathon University. Today I am representing you the basic structure for the MySQL database. And so, firstly, I created the online shopping model that is called as e-commerce also. So first we have to show the databases, so we can confirm that we already created or not that database. So we run the command as show databases. So we have that project one database where we stored all the data about our project. Then I already created, so we don't need to create that database. So for the now we have to perform the tasks, we have to use that database. For that, we use the database as use project one. Use command is used to apply or do work in the database. Okay, so for the drop database, by using drop we can delete all databases including tables, datas or records, everything. In that database I created 5 to 6 tables. First one is users. For that users I stored the user data by using the user ID, name, email, password given to that user and address. I use an as a data type as integer, then auto increment that saves our time, so we cannot we will not have don't have to mention that every time. So I created that. Firstly I dropped the project, then I do again. So we create that. I create the users table. If so we have to see the structure of the users, so we type the command as describe users. It shows the all structure for the users database table. We have taken as a user ID field, data type as integer. We should not get the null value in that because it is a primary key. Then we taken as a name, that is varchar. Varchar we have given the size as 100. Email, then also we are here, so I taken as a varchar data type. Then I taken password. Here also I taken varchar. Then for address I taken text. For all we can store the null value also. So then I inserted the 10 records as a users in the database table. So I inserted. So to see all the records from the users table, we run a query as a select star from users. It shows the all records that I inserted on that table. It shows the all recorded including all the columns. Then first one is a user ID, then name, then email, then password, and then address. I given different address and passwords different. Password should be unique for us because email ID should be unique because it is unique for everyone. Then I created the second table as a products. Then here I store the data about the product. For I taken columns as fields as a product ID, then product name, then category of the product like electronics, clothing, then I taken a price for that product, then how many stock is present in that product I taken here. So we create the table. Again describe. Again we describe the products to see the structure of the table. Here I taken product integer type primary key, then same as a varchar decimal price for decimal. So we can store the 10 decimal, and after point we can store the 2, and then stock in the integer. Then I inserted the data as a 6 to 7 data in the product ID. As a laptop is a electronics category. Then price of the laptop is 55,000, and we have stock of 10 model. So I inserted the data. So for viewing the data we can use the select star from products. You can see the data I inserted on that table: laptop, mobile, then laptop for electronics, then price here, then stock in that table, if you 25, 30 shoes. After that I created the third table as orders from the users. There I taken as order ID as a primary key. For each table I taken as ID for the as a primary key that we can use to link in with another table using foreign keys. So I created a user, then your order ID and taken as a user ID. So here we have to link users table by using the user ID. Here we link a foreign key by user ID. So user ID is the primary key of the users table, and data type must be same for the both tables ID. So I create the table. Here I use a on delete cascade and on update cascade. So if I didn't use that on delete cascade and on update cascade, we cannot delete that users table data. Okay, so forgot to describe it. Here you can see the structure of the orders table. We have taken an order ID, not null, primary key, then user ID, null should be there, then order date and total amount. So here we store the order ID for the user ID for each user ordered by that our model. Then date of the order, user placed that order, and total amount that of the order, including every items and every products. So I inserted here. I didn't take the order ID because it is auto increment. So we didn't want to mention that. Yeah. So insert into all the orders. I inserted the data. We can see by using the select star from orders table. Order ID taken as a 1 or user ID 1. For the each user I taken as a 1 order ID and user ID, then order date and then total amount that order. And then fourth table for the order items, including which items he brought from that store. I mentioned the two foreign keys for that one, for the product and order table. For the order table, I taken as a order ID as a foreign key and product ID for the product table. Here we mention the quantity of the order items you have to purchase. Let us suppose I want to order 2 laptops. So we can mention the 2 quantity and it can generate the subtotal for that order and total amount you order by every user. So user ordered 2 products and on the quantity of 2 to each. So it can generate the subtotal for the each product and total amount will be stored in the order table. So I created the order ID, then inserted the data. Order items. Okay, so select. You can see the order items ID. I given as a auto increment primary key. It can generate 1 by 1. Then order ID. It is 1 and 1. Product ID 1 1 1 2. So user ordered product as a first product and second product. Order ID user. I didn't take a quantity as a 1 1. For the one it is a 55,000 as a laptop and second one is a 20,000 as a mobile. The product ID should be 2. For the one it is laptop and second is a mobile. Then third one is 500. Taking that. So fifth table is the payments. So we do payments by various ways like cash on delivery, cards, through UPI, digital payments, everything. So I taken as a payment ID here. Then foreign key, for the foreign key reference I taken order ID from the order table. Then method, here we mention the methods as a cash on delivery, cards or UPIs, everything. And then status as a pending, paid, in process, everything. Then taken as a payment date. Here I use the date data type, so we can store the date as a in the date. And foreign key for the order ID and references to the order ID, primary key, that is order. So I created the table. Here you can see the I taken as a 5 order IDs and then methods for that 5 different methods. Then method, then payments, payment date, date for that payment, and status paid and pending or in process. What are they? You can see the records from the table. So firstly, payment ID should be unique and not null for each payment. Then order ID, first one is order ID 1. For order ID 1, method is credit card, payment date is 20 July 2025 and status is paid. And then we move on to the fourth one. Second, third is the same method are UPI and debit cards. Fourth one, cash on delivery, payment date is 23 July and 2025. That payment is pending. So we can use the query for that, finding the which payments are pending. Then we have taken as optional review table. So users can review their experience or that order data. So here also I taken as reviewed ID. Then I establish a foreign key with users table and products table. Here I taken as user ID and product ID. To user ID is used to link a table users table, and product ID used to link with table as a products. Then rating, I given a rating, a total of 2, and after pointer 1, check. We have to check the rating, so users cannot include the rating after above 4 and below 1. And then comment, I taken as a text. Sorry. Then foreign key established between users tables and products table, user table and product table. Then I inserted the data in the reviews table. Here I taken a user ID, product ID, then rating and comment. So we select, sorry, I didn't created that one. So we see the reviews data. So it is the reviews for each review ID. It is user ID for the each user, first user, then product ID for the users or orders, then it rating given by the user, and the comment given by the user, excellent performance, comfortable shoes for the each product. Here we mention the product for the second review ID, second review, and then third number product, it given as a rating 4 and comfortable shoes as a comment. Then we move on to the I basically classified the queries in the 3 types, specified the queries for this project in 3 different types. First in basic queries, second one is moderate, and third one is advanced. For that I created second one. For the basic queries, as same as select star from user, select star from users, so it shows the records we have inserted in the table. Select star from users shows all the records present in the users table. Then products shows all the records present in orders products table. Then move on to the orders table, then order items, then payments, what we payments done, what done we done a payments, and reviews. Then we move on to the next. So we have to search the users from the specific city. So we use for that we use the select star from users, where address like in like we have to give the specific data. So we use the percentage as before that we have mentioned that data the data is present, and after that also data is present. So first we have to find the Pune city's data. So we control enter, it shows the data from the Pune city, which user is present in the Pune, an order from the Pune city, address, list all orders by the specific user. All orders done by a specific user we have listed there. So I have taken the data from the orders table. So select star from orders, where user ID is 3. I want to show the data of the user whose user ID is 3. So I taken as data. It shows the all data from the order date, which and total amount for that order. Find the order specific placed after specific date. So I taken as from the order, because we order date is present in orders table. So I want to show the data of the date where after the 1st January of 2024. So it shows all the orders placed after the 1st January. Then find the products under 3000. It are the simple queries. So it shows the products whose price are less than 3000. So it shows the select we have mentioned the price in products table. So we have to run a query as a select star from products, where price is less than 3000. So control enter, it shows all the products whose price is less than 3000. Here we can see the shoes in the fashion category, whose price is 1500. Then headphones electronics category 2500. Then backpacks 1200. Then fashion as t-shirt. So it is the end of my list. I just count total number of users. It counts how many users we are present in that module. So here we use the aggregate function as a count. Aggregate functions are used to count all, and then we have to mention the star to count all the data from the specific table. So count star as a total user. We can mention the total user as a temporary column. For that we have aggregate function. So we run the command. It so here we can see the total users present and the number numeric form. In numeric form we can see that 10 users are there in your users table. Then list paid orders only. So we have to see only the paid orders, not pending. So we have the one pending order. It shows the photo which are the select star from payments where status is paid. So it shows the paid orders. Here we can specify the pending or in process also. Then total orders in each users by each user. So from orders, so total order placed by the each user. Here we can see select user ID, count order ID as a total orders. Order ID as a total order for the user. Then from orders, group by user ID. Here we group that data by using the user ID. For each user, it shows the orders. So we run the command. So user ID 1 ordered one data, user ID 2 ordered one order, done one order, user ID 3 done one order. So you how many orders done by every user. So here we can count total products in each category. How many products are there in each category? So we mentioned the electronics category, clothing category. There we can store the products. Select category, count star as a total product from products, group by category. So we group them by category, like laptop and mobile is comes under the electronics section. So we run the command. So for the electronics category, total products are 4. For the fashion category, there are 2 products and accessories for 1. Then we move on to the all reviews for the particular product. So we want to see the particular products review. So we mentioned the select star from reviews where product ID is 2. So we run the command, control enter. View ID is 6, user ID is for the user is user ID 6, product ID is 2, second product, then rating is 4, and good mobile at this price for that mobile data. Then next one, then we comes to the moderate queries for e-commerce system. Username with each order by using join. Select O dot order name, order ID, U dot name, and O dot order date. O is mentioned as a temporary or small name for that table. From orders, join them by user on user ID on the basis of user ID column. So we run that command. It shows the order ID, name of that user, and the order date on which on the date which where he placed the order. Then total amount spent by the each user. Here we see can total amount spent by which user, how which one user spent how much amount on that. So select u dot name from the users table, then sum o dot total amount. So sum as a total spent. Then from users u, join orders o on u dot user id is equal to o dot user id, o user id, group by u dot user id. So I grouped them by using user id. We can run that one. So we can see that every user spent the total spent. We can use that total amount directly as also. Each product sold. Total quantity of each product sold. So we mentioned the quantity in the order items table. Select product name, then sum of order items quantity as a total quantity. Then from products table, then joined with the orders item tables, and we use a shortcut as a order item on p dot product id and o dot product id. That is same, and we establish a foreign key in them. Then group by p dot product id. Product id by using product id we group them. So we can run that one. So for the laptop, 1 quantity. For the mobile, 3 quantities. Shoes, 2 quantities. Headphones, 1 quantities. Backpack, 1 quantity. Smartwatch, 3, and t-shirt, 2. It shows how many quantities sold for that product. Okay, so next one is here we can see the stock is less than 20. We have mentioned 10. Select name of stock from products where stock is less than 20. I use the select name comma stock from the product where stock is less than 20. Here I use the where clause where we can give the condition. If the condition is true, it shows all the data. You can see the we have the laptop in the laptop. We stock is 10, headphones 15, and smartwatch is 18. It is less than 20. Then next one is find least selling product. So for each one we have to show the least selling product. Here I use the select product name as a product p name as a product name, temporary name for that column. Then sum of order items quantity as a total quantity sold. Then from products table, then I applied the left join. So here we have to use the null. That's why I applied the left join. Left join shows the all data from the left table and the remaining or common data from the right table. So here I left join. It shows the all data from the products table and order ID, order items, remaining data or common data. Then I establish or on the join on the product ID and product ID from the product table and order items table. Group by p dot product ID, order by total quantity sold is null. Here I use the total quantity. If it is null, it shows the data. And order by means I put that in ascending order and descending order. So I run that command. It showed the least selling product. Laptop is least selling, that we sold the one quantity. Okay, and headphone is less quantity. Then we move on to the larger ones. Then payment summary by method. Select the method count as a payment count from payments and group by methods. We group by them as a method, cash on delivery, UPI, everything. So by using credit card, we have done only one payment, UPI 1, debit card 1, cash on delivery 1, and net banking 1.
This is count of payment method.
Count of payment method. Then user order details. Here users and orders details I mentioned here. Select uname, comma o dot order ID and o dot total amount spent on that user. From users, join orders o on user dot u dot user ID or o dot user ID. I establish them. Then where o dot order ID in, select order ID from payments where status is paid. So whose status is paid, I want to show that only users, paid users. It shows the users who paid their orders.
You are fetching the data from two different tables.
Yeah, by using the subquery.
Orders, two different tables.
Payments and also as well as users and orders. Orders and their quantity. Select o dot order ID sum oi dot quantity as a total quantity. Then from orders, I mentioned the shortcut as a O. Then join with order items, orders, group by order ID from the orders table. So for that order ID first order ID by the user, the quantity ordered by that user is 2. The second is second order ID. Then quantity ordered by that order is 3. Count of the total items or quantities, each quantity.
Why you are using OI?
It is a shortcut key.
Why?
Is it reduce your time?
No, it has a purpose.
Don't know the purpose.
What is the technical name? Not temp.
Yeah.
Not in, it's not
Temporary.
It is an alias.
Use the temporary name, but
Yeah.
not a technical word.
Yeah, it is alias, and you are mentioning that because O from order ID means order table say
Order table te order ID.
and OI
means order items table se दूसरा.
that's why you are mentioning there OI.
Yeah. I mentioned. Total revenue per category. So we have the category as electronics, the accessories or fashion. So we group by that as revenue by the category. So select P dot category, P as alias, then sum P dot price and order dot quantity. From products table I taken as a price, and quantity tables I take a quantity. Order items table I taken as quantity, and done multiplication in that, and use alias and temporary name as total revenue for that each category. Then from products join them with order items, and then temporary name as OI on P dot product ID and OI dot product ID. Product ID is a foreign key or same column in between them. Then group by that group by them by category. So we have to see the which category revenue. It shows the each category revenue. For the electronics category, our revenue is 1,26,500. For the fashion, 4,200, and for the accessories, 1,200. Users who gave reviews. So here I mentioned the users who gave reviews only. So select distinct. Distinct gives the unique data, u dot name. Then from users you join them by reviews R on user ID. For the reviews and users table, I mentioned the user ID as the same. Then here are the names of users who given the reviews. Then orders placed in the last 30 days. Here are the orders who placed in the last 30 days. So select star from orders where order days is greater than or is equal to current date, and we mention the interval for that whole 1 month, 30 days. Here we can see the orders placed in last 30 days. All orders are placed in last 30 days.
1 minute. If I want to month, get only month, then
Okay, next one is month.
30 days in month. No, I'm saying like August, May, like that. Yeah.
Yeah, I put it that one. Next one.
Okay.
Show order with products, product name and quantities. So select O dot order ID, P dot name as product name, and order items as in quantity from order items from order. So I joined the two tables here. One is order items and products table. By using the order ID column in orders tables and order items tables, I established by using the order ID column. Then next one is product for the product table. I use the product ID to establish the link. Then I done order by using the order ID. So it shows the order ID, then the product name and the quantity, then the order ID for the user, and the mobile, the product name and the quantity sold. Then second one is order ID 2 for the product name 2 and quantity is 1 is sold. Then order ID is 2. So in the order ID I mentioned the total amount. In order items I mentioned the quantity and subtotal for that each quantity or each product. The next one for the advanced queries, I taken as a top 5.
Can we have a pause?
Yeah.
God can say. आपके टोटल अमाउंट निकाला है क्या आपने ऑटोमेटिकली इंटर किया
नहीं
क्वांटिटी प्लस यूनिट से टोटल अमाउंट निकाली है या टोटल अमाउंट आपने डायरेक्टली इंटर किया है
मैंने इंटर किया है डायरेक्टली.
ओके
First day.
but quantity comes automatically na
Yeah.
sorry total amount comes automatically na?
Yeah, I have to mention that.
Price multiply by quantity then automatically comes total amount.
Yeah, total amount
It
comes.
not need to enter the value specific.
I will mention. Here I mentioned the top 5 best selling products. So I taken as products from the products table, product name, then sum of quantities as a total sold. Then from the products table, join with the order items table. by using the product ID column. Then group by product ID and ordered by total sold in the descending order, and they limit them as a top 5, only top 5. So it shows the top 5 products I sold, total sold. For the mobile, I sold the 3 quantities. For smartwatch, sold the 3 quantities. For the shoes, sold 2 quantities. T-shirt, 2 quantities. Laptop, 1 quantity. Here I mentioned the least selling products. So it is also same by using the limit. We just want to use that ascending by limit 5. For the laptop, yeah. Next one is low stock product. So already done. Okay.
Already done now.
Then product not sold. Which products are not sold? Select product ID name from products where product ID not in. So select product ID from the order items. Order items में जो which product ID which is not present in order items, we can see here. Okay. Here I mentioned the product review summary. Select P name round. I given as a round, so it can round that value. If I didn't mention, it will be fine. Average R dot rating, to as an average rating. Then count reviews from the review by using review IDs. Then as a total reviews. Then from products, left join. Reviews are on P dot product ID. Group by product ID. Order by average rating in descending order. You can for the laptop, average rating is 4.29 and total reviews are 7. Each total reviews are 7, average rating is 4.29. With a toss pending customer. So select you name sum of total amount from the orders table as a total spent from users table, and then I join them with the order table by using user ID. Then group by them by user ID and order by them by total spent. Top spending product. So I limit them by 5. So we can see the only 5 users. You can see the 5 users who spend the most. The first one is 75, 26,500, 21,500, 3,100 and 1,800. And here I mentioned the customers with no orders. I think. Select name from users where user ID not in. Select name of the user from the user ID from users table where user ID is not in orders. Here I mentioned orders. If the user ID is not present in orders table, it shows the user details who doesn't orders.
But the users who don't have any orders, what is use of it?
So he can order in the future also.
But what is use of it? Like for example, if there is some product like this Amazon company and if some user is there, just like I am a Sarika, I just registered my number, I didn't order anything. What is use out of it? Yes, exactly.
Yeah, that is the question.
Yes, I expect from you. Wait, it is student.
Okay.
What is purpose of switching such type of data by having no others, no profit to the company?
So we can specify our model or give them response.
How? If that, like you are taking all the data who's having some orders, who's having some transactions, who's having some reviews.
Yeah.
That is a positive part of the organization. But the customers who are very safe, like, they are just there for some different purposes, but they will not buy. What is use of it?
So we can generate things. Yeah, that is not it.
Fine, no worries. Please proceed.
Sorry.
It's alright. Don't be sorry.
There is a part.
But you have task to complete करना ही आपको पास. मैम ने जो
Yeah,
बताया
yeah.
अभी.
Yeah.
Sufficient, I think.
Okay. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.